are here for free breakfast. Hindi, pancake breakfast. Hindi yata ako kita. Yan. Libre breakfast pag ganitong stampede season. So, makiki-join ka lang. Mahaba ang pila. Ayun. Tapos pa ikot dito. Dito pa kami. Pero sandali lang naman yan. Tsaka buti wala sa init. Hindi pa yata nagsa-start. Kasi 10 o'clock yun eh. Parang 10 to 10 pa lang. So, nagre-ready pa lang siguro sila. Buti na lang malamig. Pero sa banda doon maaraw na. Inuubo si husband. Nagbibigay na sila ng pinggan.
Dito pala magandang parking. Dapat dito.
So, baka nagsa-start na rin. Ha? Nga. Yung nga sabi ko umalis, yung dito. Actually, dito, no? Pero okay na yung parking natin. Oh, malapit-lapit na kami. Mabilis naman ang pila. Ayun, no? Malapit kami sa araw. Pila. Doon na ako sa labas ko. Ito na kami sa araw. Ayan, buti malamig-lamig naman ang panahon, mahangin. So, okay lang maarawan. Last year ang init, no? Doon tayo sa Hanki. So, they're giving away mga pinggan, mga plates para sa atin. Thank you. Ito na. O, malaki pinggan, di ba? Usually kasi merong ano to. Minsan kasi meron itong mga pancake, itlog, sausage. Ewan ko lang kung ano dito. Baka makeup eh. Sana makeup eh. Nainit kape. Nainit ang araw. Pero pag wala ka sa araw, ang lamig. Ayun na, malapit na kami. Malapit na kami. Bang? Dami.
Okay, thank you, ma'am. April. North End Mall. North End Mall. North End Mall. You know what? It's going to be a very beautiful store. But everybody's going to be coming here too, so.
Yan yata yung nandun sa yung ibang tao na naglilo. Malapit na, malapit na.
Thank you.
Yes.
How long have you guys waited in line?
Oh, just a little, like 20 minutes.
Okay, not bad.
Yeah.
Not bad.
And it's windy there, so it's okay.
Yeah. You should set up here then. Get a nice breeze. Good morning. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you. We appreciate you guys coming. Thank you.
We love coming here for coffee, very good coffee.
Thank
and
you,
then
ma'am.
the croissant.
We
so
appreciate
good.
the support.
Okay, just take the tray, Christian.
Leave it for now. I will switch it when we bring it.
Sure.
Thank you.
Here we go.
Thank you.
Here we go.
Would you like some ricotta cheese?
Oh no. Oh yeah, maybe a little.
Good.
I just want to
Very good.
try. Yeah.
Try it. Good. Flown in from Italy. Would you like some ricotta cheese?
Butter. Oh, I want.
Thank you.
Can you get butter for me?
Huh?
Butter.
Ilan?
4.
I don't know how we're going to get to the one.
I want lots of butter. Okay. Thank you. Ito yung masarap yung sauce. Yun yung mga cream paste. Haba. Ay, grabe. Ang ganda po siya. Hindi daw masyadong masarap yung pancake nila. Kasi ito yung cookie, chocolate chip cookie. Ano ba to? Yung syrup. Yan. Tapos may Nutella, bibigyan na lang namin sa pamangkin namin. Hindi rin nila mahilig dyan. May free na sticker. Tapos ito yung free taste na gelato nila. Bumili na kami ng cappuccino and americano. Sobrang dami pa.
We love you. Thank you. Finally, the faces to the purchase. Just so you know, whenever you reach for those, all our semolina and our pastas and wheat flour in the gnocchi from 2 local Southern Alberta farmers. It's all non-GMO, project verified, and Food Alliance certified. Food Alliance is important because there's no glyphosates, no chemicals, no pesticides from seeding to post-harvest. Eggs are all cage-free Alberta eggs. The dairy and 3 of the 4 cheeses we use from Alberta dairy cattle. Just so you know. And the seafood, 100% wild-caught, sustainable Canadian. Want some milk?
Hobo. Pero ito tamo. Hawakan mo nga isa. Para lang mahaba yung laki. Yan. Tapos na kami. Dami pa rin tao. Dami. Ang haba pa rin. Ay, oo nga. Hindi pa basasayo yan. Tingnan natin ba yan?
Picture pa sila eh. Diba?
Ha?
Yung hawak
Kaya mo yan?
Diba? Ang ganyan. Pumapayat na iwan.
Ay, nga, no?
Sorry. You caught it.
Good catch, eh?
Yeah. Good catch.
Ano mo na to? Tayo. Ay, ano? Mukha.
Ay, matangkad. Parang iyak eh.
Oo nga. Pagod na yata yung mata mo.
Ganun yung tingin eh.
Yeah, I know.
Baka nagugulan.